January 26, 2021 Daily Math Review. We have our number 1 and number 2s here. All right, the first one, number 1. What is 60% of 150? So we're trying to figure out what is. So what is 60%? We know that 60% is going to be a percent out of 100. So we know 60% is going to be 60 out of 100. And then of 150. So 150 is our total. But we don't know what the part is. We don't know what is. Remember is over of? We don't know what that is. So let's multiply. All right, 100 times x is 100x. 150 times 60. Let's see. If we do 150 times 60. 0 times 0 is 0. 0, 0. Down to 0. Placeholder 0. 0. 30. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 3. 7, 8, 9. So we have 9,000. Okay, so now we have 9,000 equals that 100 times x. So now we're going to divide both sides of the equal sign by 100. 9,000 divided by 100. So we are left with, here we go, perfect. All right, so we're left with x equaling, well, we can cancel out 2 zeros. So 90 divided by 1 is just 90. So our answer is going to be 90 there. All right, let's take a look at number 2. So Eli's can ride his scooter 128 miles on 1 tank of gas. So it's an electric scooter. If the scooter has a 4-gallon gas tank, how far can Eli ride on 1 gallon of gas? So he can ride his scooter 128 miles. So at 128 miles, that's on 1 tank of gas. Each tank of gas has 4 oh, bless me, sorry. Has 4 gallons of gas. So we are going to figure out, well, how much is it for 1 tank of gas? Or for 1 gallon of gas. So 128 miles. He can do that for 4 gallons. So now we're going to figure out, okay, well, let's divide. We're going to find our unit rate. Unit rates. So essentially, we're trying to figure out for 1 tank or 1 gallon of gas. So 1 gallon of gas, so 1 gallon. From 4 to 1, you divide by 1. So 100, or divide by 4, I'm sorry. And then same up top, 128 divided by 4. So let's do 128 divided by 4. I'm going to do a little bit of extra workspace here. Give me 1 minute. Alrighty. So 128 divided by 4. 4 goes into 12 3 times. 4 times 3 is 12. Subtract, you get 0. Bring down that 8. 4 can go into 8 2 times. You get 8. You get 0. So our answer is going to be 32 miles. So answer down here, 32 miles. That's it. 32 miles. That's for 1 gallon of gas. Or 1 gallon of gas. So 32 miles. And that's going to be it for the DMR. Great job.